Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanathacademy. In this video students we are going to see the problems. What are proteins? Question, what are proteins? Write the sources. So students, in examination for 2 marks question they may ask you have to present the answer like this. Proteins are biopolymers of alpha amino acid having polyamide, or you can say peptide bond. Carbonyl and ammonia bond is also called as peptide bond. Understanding? Where this carbonyl, this carbon and oxygen is called as carbonyl, and this is ammonia. Nitrogen of the ammonia when combined with the carbon of the carbonyl is also called as peptide bond. Peptide. Okay students, when it is containing this, when peptide bond is containing alkyl group, we call as polyamide bond. Understanding students? So it is a polyamide. So many peptide bond containing alkyl group is called as polyamide. Understanding students? So carbonyl and ammonia bond is also called as what? Polyamide bond. An individual we call as peptide. So proteins are biopolymer of alpha amino acid having polyamide, carbonyl and ammonia bond. That is also called as what? Peptide. If it is containing one peptide bond, two peptide bond, we call as dipeptide. Understanding students? So this is first and this is second. Understanding? So we call as what? Dipeptide. So proteins are biopolymer of alpha amino acid having polyamide, carbonyl and ammonia bond. Now students, you know what is alpha amino acid students? So this is the students when alpha meaning when this is the acid, when acid carboxylic group, this is the carboxylic students. After carboxylate, whatever carbon is coming, that is called as alpha carbon. Carbon is tetravalence, so I am drawing the tetravalency of this carbon. Alpha amino means this alpha carbon will containing amino group. It is containing amino group, we called as alpha amino acid. Understanding students? Other vacancy is filled by hydrogen and alkyl group. Understanding students? So this is the alpha amino acid. Understanding what is this is called as what? Alpha amino acid. So students, proteins are biopolymer of alpha amino acid having polyamide bond. So here students I have shown here the amino acid are joined by the polyamide bond. Now sources students, you will find milk, pulses, peanut, eggs, fishes, cheese, cereals are the common sources of protein where you are getting this type of polymers. So these milk, pulses, peanut, eggs, fishes, cheese, cereals are the containing proteins having biopolymers. Understanding students? So this is the for 2 marks examination they may ask what are proteins and write down the sources. So these are the sources where we are getting the proteins.